Let me introduce the front panel. Power switch. This is the jig connector. Search probe socket. MTP1 rear panel overview. Communication port. Power fuse. Power socket. Ground terminal. External I/O terminal. Set the product and start the inspection. Testing is conducted by applying vibration and bending during the momentary open circuit test. Danger. High voltage generated during withstanding voltage tase and insulation resistance tests. Use caution. Removing the product completes the test, the counter will increment, and the results will be saved to the PC.